Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at this new 2026 Keystone Fuzion Impact Edition 416. 15 feet. Separate. Garage. Triple AC. Package. 5.5 ONAN generator. Ramp. Patio system. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority searching for a luxury fifth-wheel toy hauler that can handle your biggest toys without sacrificing residential comfort. The 2026 Keystone Fuzion Impact Edition 416 is available right here at Recreation USA in South Myrtle Beach. As a local family-owned dealership, we do business differently. We don't have the massive overhead of big-box corporate stores, and we don't pass those costs on to you. When you buy from us, you get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. No surprise freight, no prep fees, just honest, transparent pricing. Give us a call at 843-215-1800.